Want to get back archived posts on Instagram but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to get back archived posts on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch the Instagram app on your device. Then tap on your profile, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the three horizontal lines from the top right corner of your screen. After that, click on Archive. Then tap on the post that you want to show on your profile. Tap on the three-dot icon. Click on the Show on Profile button. Again, tap on Show on Profile button. And that's how you can get archived posts on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.